friends, good morning, how are you? This is Sujeet, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand Outback 2.5 liter engine, Eyesight boxer engine, made in Japan, and many more features in this car. So let's begin. Subaru Outback. Well, this is the car Subaru Outback. It's really lovely from the front side. Look at the grille, and it also has front camera. Wow. And xenon light, basically a white color light, and also fog lamp. So it looks really amazing from the front. Let us see from this side how it is. Wow, what a beauty. It looks very tough car. And the tire size, let us see. The tire size is R18, which is a very good tire size. Look at the car from the side, how it is. Wow, it looks really super. Let us see how the mileage for this car of 15.1 liter, which is excellent. Let us go inside. Wow, dual color leather and automatic chair. It also has eyesight. Eyesight is very good feature in Outback because the driver assist technology helps the driver to automatically slow down the car and brake. And this also has leather seat. Wow, dual tone leather seat and a sunroof. Good one. Excellent look, excellent style. It also has various features like X mode. Wow. And also blind spot, and wow, push start button, Indian start button also is there. So overall, it's a very good package Outback is providing. And look at from the back side how it is. Wow. And let's see if this boot open by automatically. Yes. Wow. And good space, very good space. And from here out it looks amazing. Let us close the boot and let's see from the side how it is, how it looks. It's a look really amazing. I mean, it is a strong all-wheel drive. I would recommend from Subaru. 2.5 liter engine, and the tire size also bigger. And let us see from this side how it is. Wow, excellent. Bigger screen and airbags. The total package is really amazing. So let us close from this side and see how it is. It also has camera. Wow. Okay, the car has four camera. So 4 camera with this price, really super. Made in Japan, and it also has boxer engine. Boxer engine is a flat engine which give you more stability on the road and less center of gravity. And this is the Eyesight. This is the Eyesight, and from here the car slower down. It has adaptive cruise control too. So overall, I believe Outback is a good car and good in mileage. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And really, Outback is a very good car. I have seen feature really amazing. I would definitely request a person who's planning buy a car, please visit us and just see the car and see the feature of the car. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.